anti-federalism, thesis-citationism, aesthetical brilliantizationism, anti-gravitationalism, mathematical segregationism, mathematical rationalizationism, pro-circumstantizationism, anti-federalisticization, Trump and other brainization, computeristic segregation, this is not governmental world, bitch, pro-dominationalization, pro-collectivization, I don't have to do your federal and tribal work. I can fucking save your faggot god. He's worshiping cognizations. I am anti-theologianization, pro-scatological, mathematical, computeristic, segregational animation, gratuitous animation, propagandization. Walk upon my fucking goddamn trophy. You didn't step up on my trophy clears. Little faggot, wanna step on my head and I'm smarter than you think. I'll kill your family and your goddamn tricks. Little faggot, the bank is your goddamn represent and the number have a 10 you think. Tell me I'm a devil quickly and I'm smarter than angels and devil too beastly, mathematical beastization. Wanna be the first to be stabbed with the autocratic abuse in this magicality. Magicalizationism, over aesthetical, anti-thesis, anti-godization, anti-godliness, atheistic, he's worshipped dickization-istically, again, isationistical-isationistical, anti-McGillis-isationistical-isationistical, pro-mathematical, governmental, scientificalization-istical, governmental, pro-mysticalizationism, pro-segregationalistic, mathematical, collectivization-isticalizationism, mathematical, governmental, compilatorization-ism, algorithmic, kill my family, mathematicalizationism, kill mathematicalization-istical, fraudulent says, I'm mathematicalization-istically being the fucking goddamn omniscient bird-ization-isticalization, pro-collectivization-isticalization, autocratic collectivization-isticalization, pro-nationalization-isticalization, mega-nationalization-isticalization, supernaturalization-istic, mega-nationalization, technocratic technician-isticalization, mathematical governmentalization, authorizationism, establishmentization, pro-governmental teleportationistic, telekinesis, teleportational, mathematical, see everything. I am also more than everything that you ever wanted to your goddamn shit. Told your fucking offices, mathematical offices, computeristic offices, animational offices, soul style editor offices, mathematicalizationistically, soulization-istically, anti-izationistically, worldization-istically, mathematicalization-istically, interdisciplinary-ization-istically, pro-mathematical over interdisciplinary-ization-istically, over mathematical interdisciplinary-ization-istically, over multidisciplinary-ization is last step on me with a multi-interdisciplinary-ization is pro-collectivization is mathematically rationalism is anti-gravitational rationalizationism and factorizationism. You're wondering that's when you're crafting shit. You motherfucking faggots are nothing compared to my teacher-izationism, mathematical, pharmaceutical, anti-globalizationism, anti-marketizationism, anti-supermarketizationism, mathematical totalitarian statism. What a fucking fuck my people, on my collectivists, on my colonization, stapleization, localization, Organization, starization. Wanna be in a starization, motherfuckers can't even be the organization, not even I, not even me, can't even be the fucking individual. Can't be individualistic, I'm only collectively being the fucking loseristic leader inside of my group and agency. Step up on me, so create my fucking penance children. Fucking my fucking kitty clodization. But mathematical equations is calculatorization, musically anti-rationalization. Kill the nigger, kill the Batman, wanna do it? I can step right here, individualistically kill Joker to I can prove it. I can kill every little bro. Everyone inside of the fucking little computers and show them the real bro. The one who fucking with segregation. Who was Donald Trump, who was Adolf Hitler, I need them both. And leaders of our fucking country ain't shit compared to me, they're just push jokes. I'm the righteous, I'm the tyrant, mathematical pelters. Mathematicalizationism, pronunciationalizationism, circumstantizationism, anti-heuristicalizationism, insignificantization, only wanna be pro-significantizationistically white nationalizationistic, obvioustic, speciationistic, organizationism, pronunciations, always be broadization, tokization, buddhization, nowadaysation, populization, roaristically, shipizationistically, dishizationistically, you can take a fucking meat and turn it into something that is more of your historicalizationistic, pussyization, civilizistically, your fucking factory, your fucking food labelization, your privatizations, your pronunciationalizations, your fucking retarded technology, the decapitalization, mathematical segregation of the law, wanna get hit in the head with another bat, you little faggot, you're a queer, dependent, and you're a genius, and now they want a little golf ball, but I can show you more omniscience, the way that you made me more of a genius. Mathematical Stephenus, mathematical Stephenus, I am stealing all of this, mathematicalizationistically, alien-polarization-istically, elevization-istically, this isation-isticalizationism, mathematical segregation-isticalization-isticalization-isticalization-isticalization-isticalization-isticalization-isticalization-isticalization, electrification-isticalization-istically, hope, mathematicalization-isticalization-istically, slut, mathematicalization-istically, wanna be cold, wanna be ghoul, I am also killing faggots every time I produce it, my young vocalizations, anti-colonizations, anti-medicalizations, take them fucking legalizations on it, mathematicalization-istically, governmentalization-istically, pro-governmentalization-istically, pro-anti-Italianization-istically, pro-anti-federalism-istically, thesis-ism, aesthetical brilliant-izationism, anti-gravitational-isticalization-istically, mathematical segregation-isticalization-ism, mathematical rationalization-isticalization-ism, pro-circumstantialization-isticalization-ism, anti-federalisticalization, Trump and other 11 brainization, computeristic segregation, this is my governmental world, bitch, pro-dominationalization-isticalization-ism, pro-collectivization-isticalization-ism, I don't have to do your federal and tribal work, I can fucking slave your faggot god, he's worshiping cognizations. I am anti-theologianization, pro-scatological, mathematical, computeristic, segregational animation, gratuitous animation, propagandization. Walk upon my fucking goddamn crow's feet, Newton. Step up on my crow's feet, leaders. Little faggot with stuff in my henchmen, I'm smarter than you think. I'll kill your family and your goddamn tricks. Little faggot, the baby's your goddamn rappers, your Eminem, how many times you think? That's how me, I'm a devil, quickly, and I'm smarter than Adolf and devil too, beastly, mathematical beastization, wanna be the virgin beastly, autocratic abuse in this magicality. Mathematical Hollywoodization-isticalization-istical, anti-pharmaceutical, flying anti-gravitationalistically, Hollywoodization-istically, Hollycraft, mathematical mysticalizationism, overproductionalizationism, mathematical overproductionality, over mathematicality, magicalizationism, over aesthetical antithesis, anti-godization, anti-godliness, atheistic, he's worshipped dickizationistically, again, isationisticistically, anti-McGillis-isationisticistically, pro-mathematical, governmental, scientificalizationistic, governmental, pro-mysticalizationism, pro-segregationalistic, mathematical, collectivizationisticalizationism, mathematical, governmental, compilatorization,ism, algorithmic, kill my family, mathematicalizationism, kill mathematicalizationisticalizationistic, fraudulent says, I'm mathematicalizationistically, being the fucking goddamn omniscient burnizationism, pro-collectivizationistic, autocratic collectivizationism, pro-nationalizationistic, mega nationalizationistic, supernaturalizationistic, mega technocratic technicianisticalization, mathematical governmentalization, organizationism, establishmentization, pro-governmental teleportationistic, teleportational, mathematical, see everything. I am also more than everything that you ever wanted to your goddamn shit. Told your fucking offices, mathematical offices, computeristic offices, animational offices, soul style editor offices, mathematicalizationistically, soulization,istically, antizationistically, ruralizationistically, mathematicalizationistically, interdisciplinaryizationistically, pro-mathematical over interdisciplinaryizationistically, over mathematical interdisciplinaryizationistically, over multidisciplinaryizationistically, lost up on me with a mode of interdisciplinaryizationistic, pro-collectivizationism, mathematically rationalism is anti-gravitational organizationism, rationalizationism, and factorizationism. Your lines and graphs are linear and graphs are shit. You motherfucking faggots are nothing but your body, futurization,